Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if it's your first time. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, because I post recipes like this every Tuesday. What is you doing with your life if you ain't subscribed to my channel, homie? If you don't know who Picky Vegan is, what is you doing, honey? Okay girl, stop playing, let's just start this video, man. First recipe that I'm going to be showing you guys is called yakisoba. It is so delicious. First up, add some water to a pan. Some sliced carrots too. Some edamame. Seal with a lid and let it cook. You want to pick up these same chow mein noodles, which I found at Maxi, and use 3 blocks to cook. You also want to put 1 spoon of pink salt into your pot with water. Then add your chow mein. About 5 minutes, check with a fork to see if your veggies are ready. Since they're ready, I put them in a bowl like this to set aside while I continue my next steps. Melt 1 spoonful of coconut oil or any oil of your choice that you feel like will be good for this recipe. Add some garlic cloves in that. Toss it around, make it all nice and toasty. You guys can tell that I'm getting pretty tired, that's why I'm talking like this, okay? Just toss your freaking noodles like this, really rough. This is a sauce that I bought at Metro. It's called garlic hoisin, if you guys can't read. Ha. So you want to add 2 spoonfuls of that into your mix, like I'm doing right now. Akush, go. Alright, go, you got it. Toss that around, all around. Yummy. I don't know what to say, that's why I'm just saying crap. Add, that is bean sprouts. Add half a cup of bean sprouts. Some soy sauce. Soy. Yay. Toss it around, okay. You want to toss that around, okay. Like you just don't care. Hey, like you just don't care. Add some ginger. Whip it around again, I guess. Then add in your veggies and just swirl it around again. Am I gonna do it? Is he gonna swirl it around again? Is he gonna mix it? Is he just not gonna mix it in front of the camera? I didn't, I guess. But I just pretty much put it in the bowl and it looks like this. So yummy, so delicious. Oh my gosh, like, wow. Damn. Okay. Next up, we got these vegan honey garlic lettuce wraps, which are amazing as well. Melt a spoonful of coconut oil, guys, like this. Then add some diced onions. Toss it around until translucent. And when it's translucent, it means it's ready to go. So just do like I'm doing right now, clearly. Then add some garlic powder, because garlic is life. Then some ginger. Yummy ginger. Add some water. And some soy sauce. Some sweet chili sauce. Yeah. Some agave. Yummy agave. That's the honey substitute, basically. Some chickpeas. Look at that. Let it boil up, you know, and then put a lid on top of that. Soon, like right now. Let that cook for about 15 minutes. The noodles that I'm using for this is called angel hair. So I'm gonna boil some water and then add pink salt into the water. Then I'm gonna add 2 stacks of that angel hair inside the water. Next, I'm gonna cut these romaine lettuce that you see right here into 4. Add my peppers into my chickpea mix. Seal that again, and while that is getting cooked, I started adding my noodles onto the lettuce wraps just like this. Slowly, with love and care. TLC. Looking so yummy. Start adding those chickpeas to your noodles once it's ready, like this, like so. Take your time, make it look pretty. Put some effort in it, put some love in it, because it's gonna go in your mouth. That's what she said. After all that is said and done, move your lettuce wraps to a nice plate and start adding some sesame seeds for a nice look. It's looking so yummy, guys. You guys need to try this. Please try this recipe and send me the pictures. Et voilà, c'est prêt, c'est délicieux. It is ready and it's yummy. Go ahead and eat it. Number 3, we got that extreme leftover platter, bowl, concoction, Asian thingy. Basically, this part is pretty much a freestyle of different ingredients that I used throughout this recipe that didn't get used in the rest. But I left everything down in the description box if you want to know how to make this, because this is also delicious and it looks pretty amazing, delicious, everything. Guys, you need to try this, vegan or not. Come on. Wow. Happy New Year to everyone.